GRS is a car audio brand that specializes in producing factory replacement speakers and subs to revive your BMW hi-fi system. And the GRS B200-4 ASD Series 8-inch glass fiber subwoofers are the perfect way to breathe some bass back into your Beamer without having to worry about running new speaker wire, subwoofer boxes, or tearing everything apart. Right out of the box, the B200 subwoofers are clearly replicated after factory subwoofers from their incredibly unique shape known as the pincushion frame and shallow depth, designed to slide right into the factory locations under the front seats. They also feel durable and well crafted. These subwoofers come with no accessories. Designed to fit perfectly into stock BMW locations, the GRS B200-4 8-inch low-profile subwoofers have a depth of just 2¼ inches and take all the work out of replacing these unique drivers, making these the perfect drop-in upgrades for late model BMW vehicles. Check out our recent BMW M3 installation video, which we used the B200-4s in. The B200s are available in a 2-ohm and a 4-ohm version. For use with the factory amp, select the 4-ohm. And for those of you adding an amplifier, you may want to consider the 2-ohm depending on how you plan to wire your amp. For power, these subs are rated at 100 watts RMS a piece, 200 watts max, with a frequency response of 25 to 2000 Hz, and an efficiency of 96.8 dB at 2.8 volts for the 2-ohm and 91.6 dB efficiency for the 4-ohm. These subwoofers are a significant upgrade compared to stock subs, which are cheaply made and designed to trick you into thinking you have good audio. And GRS designed these subs tough with a fiberglass cone, neodymium magnet, and thick rubber surround. The GRS subs feature 2-inch voice coils, which can handle plenty of power and provide excellent control and linearity. Another unique design of these subs is the front-mounted neodymium motor, which provides extensive venting through the pole piece and voice coil gap and make them super thin. Combine these subs with the B25-4 tweeters and B100-4 mids to bring your BMW sound system back to life. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.